Hey everybody, it's Bob Anderson, and it is March 17th, 2023. It's Happy St. Patrick's Day. Luck of the Irish. I got my little lucky beanie baby here. He's got a little clover on him, and he's green, of course. He brought me some luck today. I only took one trade today, and I'll show it to you here in a minute. And when I hit that trade, I decided, why do this anymore? You'll see why in a minute. Anyways, I wanted to bring up a couple announcements before I show you the trade. It's going to be a short video. Get it over with. Move on so I can get to some Jameson's Irish whiskey. Anyways, so happy St. Patrick's Day. What happened yesterday, and I didn't even realize it till after I did yesterday's video, is we had eclipsed 4,000 subscribers on this channel. At the beginning of the year, I said, it'd be nice to have 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Hell, we didn't even get through March. So yeah, we hit 4,000 subscribers and growing. Another thing I want to bring up, or I want to announce, yesterday I talked about an open range trade indicator. When I originally talked about that trade in the beginning, I had multiple people send me different, versions of the indicator. And so what I did is I had posted the one that I know how to download out of Ninja in yesterday's video. It is not the exact same one that I have on my charts. So what I want to do is, if you want the exact same one that's on my chart, which I think is cool beans, the only thing I can do is attach it to an email and send it to you. It's a Ninja script, but I don't know the Ninja link in Ninja to find it. So email me at goldlinetrades, that's all one word, goldlinetrades, plural, at gmail.com. And in the subject, just put, open range indicator, please. And what I'll do is I'll reply back with the actual indicator that you download and load into Ninja, okay? Which will be the exact same one as the one I have. The other one's good too, the one I put in the link, but I'll send you the exact same one I have. The other thing is if you remember, March 21st is the end of Apex's sale for 80% off. There's our affiliate code. I'll put that link down below, also in this video. For those of you looking to get accounts that are 80% off. In perpetuity, meaning every time they renew, it's even 80% off. Anyways, what I want to do is I want to quickly show you my oil trade. I actually, the one trade I took today was in oil. It was the open range break trade. I'm going to show you how I managed the trade. And I'll be perfectly honest with you. I had some luck of the Irish with me today because I managed that thing absolutely flawlessly. and to be honest with you, I think I need to take vacations more often. Because yesterday I traded like a beast, and today one trade, cha-ching, 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 done. So yeah, I need to take vacations more often, just trade 2 times a week. Anyways, let me show you the trade. Oil. Here's my oil chart. All right, so this is an open range trade that we're talking about. So I got to get to it. The market's still open over here. It's not even 2 o'clock when I'm printing this video. I'm cutting into my Jameson's time, that's why. Jameson's Irish whiskey, my friends. That's what the Irish do on St. Paddy's Day. I started with Bailey's in my coffee this morning. So anyways, this is the box that created from oil, because remember, oil creates the box at between 9 and 9:15. And I'll be perfectly honest with you, I was about ready to not take a trade at all, because we just sat right in here. I mean, the last couple days, literally when the market has gone past the 15 minutes, it's blown right through one way or the other. I mean, you know, it has not just sat in stale mode. So I really was about ready to give up on this. And then all of a sudden it broke this pivot here to the left, up to the box, top of the box. Now the whole time I had a buy up here for 2 contracts. Okay, just so you know. So I'm telling you how I had it played out. I had a buy up here, sitting up here, 2 contracts. I was going to play it up to at least here, maybe to the overnight open. Because this is the overnight open up here, about 50 ticks up, about 55 ticks up or so, 52 ticks. Anyways, but what happened is this candle went up, then came down and sat right on the gold line, the 5-minute gold line. And I said to myself, and once again, I do this, I said, self, why don't we walk our way into this trade? So I did a buy and I dropped it right in here at the gold line. And I wasn't going to give any room. I was going to, and then that would give me some leverage here, some profit when I add into the trade here. Does that make sense? This is what's going through my mind because I'm anticipating it running through and going up to here. So anyways, I bought right here. It went through by, I bought right here, which was at 85, 67.85. It went down to 67.83. So I took 2 ticks of heat. Woohoo! Getting nervous. And then it ran up. Bam! So I added my 2 here that were sitting there. So my point is this was trade 1 right here. Well, I screwed that up. But this was trade 1 in this minute. This was trade 2. Okay? Then it went over and kind of came down. And then it rolled back up. And I said to myself, once again, self, when this thing came down, they were coming down here just kind of cleaning out the stops. I threw another contract order as a break of this candle right here. I said, self, this thing rolls up, it's going to be gone. So I added another candle right here, and bam, look what happened. So after I did this, I'm sitting here looking at the red line, and now remember, I'm in this thing 4 contracts. So now I'm in pretty damn deep, and I'm looking at this red line. Now this red line was steeper than it is in this video. Again, I mentioned this. You got to see these things live, not after the fact, because these moving averages move. See, this thing moved up after, but at the time it was right through here. So I just threw my target at 68.25, and it went to 68.26, which was 1 tick through that red line, and it rolled over, rolled back up, rolled back over again. But I hit my money right there because remember, this trade is going counter trend now. So I didn't go for the 40 ticks. What this ended up hitting me at was 32 ticks per contract on average. So 4 contracts, that's $1,280. And I said, I'm done. Done. So that was my luck of the Irish trade today. And hey, why would you trade after that? But I literally tick each one of those perfectly. The initial trade, the second trade, and the third trade. Just ting, absolutely perfectly. And then the exit, absolutely perfectly. I mean, ting. It was like I drew the picture myself beforehand and then decided, okay, I'm going to buy here, and buy and sell here. I mean, it was amazing. Anyways, everybody have a good day. And don't forget, if you want the exact same open range trade indicator that I have on here, the only way I can get it to you is to email it to you in the Ninja version. So goldlinetrades@gmail.com. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.